These AI construction videos are going viral right now. Millions of views showing a house building itself from the ground up. Here's exactly how to make one in 5 minutes. So here's the plan. We need two things. An image of an empty piece of land and an image of a completed house on that same land. Then we feed both into Google's Veo 3 AI video generator in Google Flow, and it creates a step-by-step construction animation between the two. Empty land to finished house. Let me walk you through it. First open ChatGPT. I have got a prompt ready for you. It's in the description, just copy and paste it. What this does is give you a bunch of different house style options. Modern, minimalist, Mediterranean villa, farmhouse, whatever fits your video. Pick the one you like. I'm going with this one. Step 2. Generate images in Google Flow. Head over to Google Flow. Select the Nano Banana Pro model. That's the one that gives you the most realistic architectural results. Now pick your format, landscape or portrait, totally up to you, depends on the video you are making. Then choose how many options you want generated. Hit generate. Once you get your images, pick the one that looks best. This is your completed house image. Now here is the key part. Take that same image and ask the AI to remove the house. Just the house. You can also ask it to remove plants, pathways and fences, anything man-made. You want a clean empty plot of land. So now you have got two images, empty land, finished house. That's all we need. Alright, these two images are about to turn into something insane. Step 3. Create the construction video with Veo 3.1. Back in Google Flow, click on video, select frames, pick landscape or portrait again, match whatever you choose for the images, choose how many options you want. And here is a pro tip. Select Veo 3.1 quality, not speed. Quality mode gives you detailed step-by-step construction look. Foundation first, then walls, then roof. Speed mode skips some of them. Now for the frames, click start frame and here select upload. Select your empty land image. For the end frame, upload the completed house. Last step, paste the detailed construction prompt. I have added this in the description too. Just copy it. This prompt tells the AI exactly how to animate the build. Pouring the foundation, framing the walls, adding the roof, and landscaping. All of it. Hit generate and watch this. See that? Empty land to a fully built house. AI did all of it, and the quality mode makes it look like actual time-lapse construction footage. Quick tips. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Tell it about materials, weather, lighting, and try different house styles. Some go way more viral than others. All the prompts are in the description. Just copy and paste. If this was helpful, subscribe. I drop videos like this every week. Making videos like giant YouTubers, Vox Style, Johnny Harris Maps, Mr. Beast thumbnails, and much more with completely AI. And also drop a comment and let me know what style of house you are going to build. I will see you in the next one.